Hello friends, welcome to our third video this week as we look at working with Microsoft Excel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the size of rows and columns in Excel. My name is Mercy Consolata Keller. Let's get started. So sometimes we are given data values such as this, and you find that some columns or rows are not able to make your data values visible and you want them to be visible. So what you do is, for that particular column, say the name column where we are not seeing all the names, you select it, highlight it, come over to the Home tab, then under Cells, you select Format, then you scroll down. We're looking at a column, so column width. Then you can adjust it here using some value. So currently it's at 8.11. We can adjust that to say 15 and see what it comes out looking like. It's not yet so great. So the other option is you can select the next, which is AutoFit Column width. So if you select that, you see that it has given you a good and wonderful size for your column to fit the data values. Now, assuming you wanted to adjust the size of all these columns, but without going through the stress of selecting a column by column, you can just highlight the entire table and then come back to Format and select that very autofill column width. Once you do that, it automatically adjusts every cell size to fit the values within that cell. So let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see, name is perfectly adjusted, ticket here is perfectly adjusted, everything is okay. So that is for the column width. You could also be interested in adjusting the height of your rows. So you can just come here and choose row height. Say instead of the 14.4, you want it to be 20. Can adjust that. And as you can see, this cell, the height has increased to a certain degree compared to this and this. Or you can actually auto fit like we did with the width of the column, where you select everything or just a particular row, and then come to Format, and under Format you select Auto Fit Row Height. And as you can see, the height has been adjusted depending on the values they contain. That has been it for this video. Hope you enjoyed your learning. If you did, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're posted on new videos as they come out. Thank you and happy learning.